Well, today it's time to unbox my Mac M2 Mini. It's just arrived by post here in Germany, and I'm super excited. So, let's start. It is a very compact box, as you can see, and it measures about how much does it measure? 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters by uh, 8 centimeters. It's super compact. So let's see how we get this to open. So there you go. Not sure if that's readable. So it's the Mac Mini with the Apple M2 chip, 8 GB, 256 GB solid state drive. So let's get started. There you go. Seal one, seal two, and we open it. Aha! Isn't that a beauty? Just look at the finish. Well, my first Apple product was an Apple iPod in, I think it was 2005 or 2006. But since then, I've moved away from Apple and gone on to Samsung and in the computer world to HP, Lenovo, and so on. But this is my first Apple product after such a long time. I love this solid metal finish. Looks as if it's been crafted from pure aluminium. Oh my gosh. This does look precious, isn't it? So let's remove the packing, the I don't know, the protective covering. I don't know how it comes off here, but let's try. Hmm. Oh yeah. The thing I like about Apple's packaging is that it's so functional and user friendly. Oh, there you go. That was a protective cover on the top. So let's remove that. Oh, there it goes. It's even prettier now. Look at that. And how heavy is this? It's maybe, I don't know, I'm a bad judge of weight, but I think that's a little over 1.5 kilograms. Okay, so let's see what it has. All right, so the ports, that's the LED, tiny LED. That's the base. What does it say? Mac Mini. Yeah, and over here, which is the on the back, are the ports. I'm not sure if that's really visible, but yeah, just open the windows to let in a bit more light. But that's a protective tape here, which I'm going to remove now. I think that's a protective tape. Or is that a tab? Oh yeah, there is a tab here, so I don't really need to use my nails, and there it comes off. So the reveal of the ports on this Mac Mini M2. There you go. Leave that here. So as you can see, power button, the slot for the power cable itself, the LAN port, two Thunderbolt ports, one HDMI, and two USBs, and that's the jack for the headphones. So let's keep that over here while I see what other accessories are included. So we go to the box again. That's what is this? That is, oh yeah, the quick setup guide. There you go. Well, as you can see, I already have a 22-inch monitor, so I don't need another to buy another display. Uh, what else do we have? That's the power cable. Yes, and that's it, really. So this is typical Apple, isn't it? I mean, you have the computer, nice clean little package. You have the power cord. You have a quick setup guide, and that's it. You're ready to go. So I'm super excited to be receiving my Mac Mini M2, and as soon as I set it up with my display, I'll have another video to show you. And later on, I plan to install some video editing software like DaVinci Resolve and so on for my content creation. And I'll let you know how it goes. Have a nice day. Bye for now.